All right, we're going to go ahead and make the 1x1 flat cylindrical piece here, and we're going to do it with a revolve. So what I'm going to design initially is going to be just half of what the part is going to be, and once I revolve it, it'll make the rest of it. So what that means is all of our heights will be correct, but our diameters are actually going to be cut in half because they will double when we add the revolve. So let's go ahead and get our dimensions in here. This base part needs to be an 1/8 plus that knob on top is a 1/16, which means 3/16 in total height. And that made it look weird. So we're going to turn dimension off real quick and just pull that line back down. And we want this knob to end up being 3/16, so for now it's going to be 3/32 because it'll double when I revolve. From this far line out here to here, we want it to be 5/16 in the end, so we're going to say 5/32 right now. And this guy is going to be 4/32 right now. Okay. This little piece right here is going to be 1/32 in height, and this is going to be 3/32 in height. And that's what the piece is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and throw a revolve onto this, and we're going to revolve it around that center axis right there. And it's going to look something like that. Now, because the bottom, when we created it, was only 4/32, it got revolved, it became 4/16 in total diameter. That means I can't use a regular shell of 1/16 because I'll only have a 2/16 hole. So instead of your standard shell, we're going to make this shell 1/32, and it's going to look something like that. And that is the piece. That is the 1x1 flat cylinder.